image of a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they bring us some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
Clustering in the building. Welcome back. Stuff in the building. Welcome to Stuff from the Cup, where we give you fire. We are fun. We are inspirational. We are real. And we are educational. Everyone knows that we are Bob Marley.
Bella said to me, Mom,
Don't go behind it.
careful. Mom, I miss Bob Marley.
Poor thing. But anyway, this film will be for her and the future generations to come.
To know more about him in a way that we have never seen him before
We are
until now.
in the coupling.
She's home from school today.
She's not well.
Yeah, she had a fever this morning, so didn't want to send her out. And it's raining and cold and foggy and everything outside, so it's a good thing.
Alright, tell
Go
them
drink
buy
some
and go
water.
drink some water and go on the town.
Go.
So mommy and daddy can't hurry up.
Bye bye. See you next time.
That is it. Yeah, so
It was 10 out of 10.
I think let's take it from the beginning. When we got to Heroes Circle, because we had to park at Heroes Circle, as you'll see, when we got to
To be
Heroes
shuttled.
Circle to take the shuttle, and then when we drove up to the venue and we saw the concert on the outside, and we saw the massive police presence, when we started feeling, I was nervous.
I was excited. I was very excited to be there.
Yeah.
Brian was nervous. I don't know why.
It's an international event, guys. So when we came out and we saw what was happening with the red carpet, we went and got our passes. And then the red carpet, we were able to take pictures, take videos. We saw some persons who are cufflinks. So big up to all the cufflinks. But we also saw some other delegates and some persons who knew us. And that was just quite a festive time.
It was. If you are on my Instagram page, there's a reel that, well, it's
I'm
shared
gonna
on
put
both
it-
our
I'm gonna put it
pages.
here.
Okay. Listen, hugs and kisses for days and days and days. It was just so great to see everybody. I know, even when I was looking back at the reel, I was saying, can you imagine COVID stopped all of this at one point in time?
Can you imagine this happening in COVID? Sterile, everybody would have to
it
be
would
6
have
feet
been
apart and masks.
crazy.
And,
I'm
Yeah.
happy. I'm happy. Go drink some water.
I did.
Yeah. But it was good. It was good. And then
after the meet and greet,
they had jerk chicken and stuff there, you know, but I didn't want to eat because,
and then when she went inside, she was hungry.
yeah,
She refused the food.
I never refused it. I just never take it. I didn't want the food because I didn't have any floss on me, and my teeth are so close together that if food gets in between my teeth and I can't get it out, I am uncomfortable, like severely uncomfortable. So
Teeth tight.
yes,
You know what else is tight?
a budget.
Good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. You know what else is tight? The
Your
shoes,
pants.
The new pants and the new shoes.
Your pants, you're right. Yeah.
So when the movie began now, that was when I was really excited now because, I mean, firstly, we're humbled and grateful to be a part of, you know, the celebrations and being able to see this film, you know, before it is officially released in theaters. And when we saw it start on the screen, like, it was so surreal.
It was an exciting moment. It was,
For the culture.
yeah, I felt so proud to be Jamaican watching. And I mean, it was just amazing. Of course, we're not going to tell you what was in the show.
You want to hear about the part when
And the part when, oh my God, yeah. You have to go watch it.
February 14th,
They hit theaters February
Valentine's
14th.
Day / Ash Wednesday promotion type of vibe. So go out, enjoy it. It's gonna be the little holiday period, so a lot of persons.
I'd go watch it again.
Yeah, and trust me, tickets gonna be sold out real real fast.
Yeah.
But
Tickets are already online selling.
yes, yeah.
Yeah.
I think what stood out to me in the film was the actor Kingsley that played Bob Marley. There is so much controversy and questions about it, and whether or not somebody, it should have been one of the sons or a Jamaican or so many other talented persons. We're not disputing the fact that they could have chosen somebody else, but they, and Ziggy said it, the family chose
the right
him,
person.
and they believe that he was the right person, and he saw it.
Listen, apart from the fact that he learned patois and talk it good,
yeah.
Listen,
at times there was the accent.
No man, he taught the patois good. He taught the patois good. But his whole demeanor and mannerisms,
and give them the rock.
It's so amazing.
Yes.
How good he got into character.
Yeah. And it opened up our eyes to a different side of Bob. We saw, I mean, we're always about the music and the man and the message, but we saw the life.
The man behind
the moments behind what caused some of these songs and what caused some of these things that happened, and it really opened my eyes. It's inspirational.
It is.
I felt empowered. I felt inspired.
I'm glad me never born back in those times. Right? Could you be glad?
I wore my Jamaican colours.
You what?
I wore my Jamaican colours.
You what?
I wore. Weird. I wore my Jamaican colours to work the next day, down to my socks, and Bass did a skit as well. It was we're just in the moment, and if it all over the timelines that are on social media, most of the persons who went, they're posting reels, they're posting pictures. It's just a grand occasion.
It was really good.
Just a grand occasion. We saw that the royals were there. Some of the royals.
We didn't see them personally. Right. First of all, there were so many people,
and people came at different times.
At different times, so maybe they were there when we were at somewhere else, or.
And there were 5 Orso theater rooms that were open, showing the one show, so everybody was.
So all the theaters at Carib were showing the show, showing the movie.
It was shown at Palace the night before for some people, some delegates.
No, it was shown for the cast.
Oh, that was where they were to watch.
To watch it the night before.
It's just nice though, guys. So go watch it, enjoy. That's just what we're going to tell you about it. There was a scene. Let me give you a little teaser. There was a scene with him and Rita that really, I mean, being married and every relationship have back and forth, and that scene, she's a real matriarch. Right, and she leveled. Yeah, man. She kept him level.
Don't say no more. Enough respect.
When she did do the
enough respect.
And you see when Bob did say to her,
enough respect.
And you see when
him not say nothing, don't pay him no mind. Enough respect.
And then remember when Bucky did. I remember when Claudia did. I remember bad show.
It was good, guys. Go watch it. Yeah.
Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the curves. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs.